Ever wondered why minor cuts and bruises sometimes take longer to heal than expected? How about those itchy, uncomfortable rashes that turns your day into a constant battle for relief? Enter Jiva-Jawa Pain Relief, a revolutionary blend in the realm of natural healing. Crafted from a unique selection of pure plant extracts, this oil is poised to become your go-to solution for soothing minor wounds, bruises, and persistent rashes. The secret to Jiva-Jawa's remarkable efficacy lies in its components. Turmeric, agarwood, angelica, and fingerroot serve dual roles as anti-inflammatories and pain relievers, particularly targeting arthritis-related discomfort. Galangal and betel leaf are key in wound care and enhancing circulation. Combined, these elements forge a powerful synergy that fast-tracks the healing journey, diminishes swelling, and mitigates pain. Glowing endorsements from users across the globe attest to the restorative capabilities of Jiva-Jawa Pain Relief. Stories of swift healing, diminished discomfort, and minimized scarring, celebrating this botanical concoction's effectiveness. So next time you find yourself with a minor cut, bruise, or annoying rash, remember Jiva-Jawa Pain Relief. It's the natural, effective solution that your skin will thank you for. Please subscribe for more information on our exciting products.